So this is a office, right? This is an office.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to take your pictures. I'm just going to take so this is a double door. I'm sorry, I'm still here. So this is the living room that I saw in the picture. So this is.
Go upstairs. I don't want to bother somebody up there.
So this, so this is. Oh, that's nice. Wait. Sit down, sir. Anna, excuse me. So this one, it's a pretty large. I like the.
Yeah, it's neutral.
And I like the fact that you know, you spend a lot of time here. So
This is a nice size kitchen.
yes,
You can even put some bar stools.
and this is the laundry room leading to. So this is fine.
And then you've got a nice cupboard there.
Oh, can I look at the garage?
Oh, sure.
Because